Hi guys, got the remains of two different projects here. The boat, I've used that as a pop boat, a pull string motor boat, and just now as a music box powered boat. I've just taken the music box off there. I'm going to take the propeller off and I'm going to use this. This is a hovercraft. It does sort of work on water, but it doesn't work very well on land anyway. It tends to spin round. It's made from one of those wall climbing cars. In fact, I'll just get one to show you. I have a bag full of them. Right. That motor is that bit, and those two motors are the ones that drive the wheels here. So I've taken it out. It's infrared controlled, and I made a hovercraft out of it. There'll be a link in the video description. But all I'm going to do now is rip that off. So we've just got the motors at the back here. So we can actually have a radio controlled fan driven boat. LiPo battery, got some LEDs that tell you whether it's going forwards or backwards. And that's it. So, sharp knife. I'm supposed to tell you to cut away from your hands with a knife. Right, this fella, I think, yeah, unplug from there. You really don't need the motor on there because that's the lift motor and we're not going to be trying to lift the boat. I think I'll just cut it off. I can resolder it again if I do need it. So if I just glue that on there, we should be okay. Good to go. I suppose I could just glue the LEDs in place, couldn't I? White at the front, red at the back would be logical, wouldn't it? That's really just to stop them blowing around in the breeze and getting caught in the propellers. Right, at the moment those propellers are pointing the wrong direction, but I think they'll still work. They'll just be slightly less powerful. Oh, I've just seen one of the drive motor's wires has come loose. I've got to do a bit of soldering then. Right, there we are. Soldering fixed. Oh, I think the battery might be flat. Oh dear me. That's a good start. I thought I'd charged it. Right, see if we got some charge in the battery this time. Right, that looks incredibly slow, and that is because I've got those propellers on backwards. I think if we go in reverse, which is forwards, you'll see we go much faster. Right, I thought I got those propellers backwards. That's because on the hovercraft I needed it the opposite way round. Okay, I wonder if I can swap those propellers over. Right, everything back in place. Steering. Not enough room to turn around. There we go. Oops. Propeller came off. I had to put hot glue on those propellers because they were loose on the shaft anyway. So, it clearly works. So, wall climbing car converted to fan boat or fan driven boat. Job done. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.